Happy New Year, everybody! We're so glad to be here the first day of the year. We know it's been a minute since we created a new video. We've been a little busy lately, but we're still here. We have a very exciting announcement for you guys to start off our new year. Today, we want to introduce a new addition to our clinic. We've been keeping this a secret for a little bit, mainly because we're still trying to get to know her and we're still waiting for the perfect time before her big reveal. Well, without further ado, let's bring her out. Ta-da! Meet the Hollywood Spectra of Lutronic. This classy and sophisticated girl is the newest addition to our lineup. She's the it girl who can do so much. The Hollywood Spectra is the first FDA-approved laser device for treating melasma, a common but challenging skin condition that causes brown or grayish patches to develop on the face. However, its capabilities extend far beyond this single condition. It's an advanced Q-switch Nd:YAG laser platform with a dual wavelength of 1064 and 532 nanometers. Okay, tell us more. Yeah. So now you know the type of laser this Hollywood Spectra is. Let's talk about the mechanism of a Q-switch laser. A Q-switch laser uses a high-intensity pulse beam of energy that is applied to the skin at a specific wavelength. This energy or light lasts merely a billionth of a second, which results in a photoacoustic effect that breaks apart cells from pigment or ink nanoparticles into smaller pieces. The immune system of the body then naturally eliminates these pieces, exposing skin that is progressively cleaner and more balanced in tone. So in short, this laser is so fast that it just vaporizes the pigments or melanin into nanoparticles, which allows your own macrophages to recognize it and clean it up. The Hollywood Spectra laser utilizes short pulses that allow it to deliver results while minimizing heat damage to the surrounding tissues, making it an effective solution for skin rejuvenation with little to no downtime. So basically, with the Q-switch laser, we're able to treat hyperpigmentation safely, especially in those with skin of color. So what can we use the Hollywood Spectra for? Yeah, great question. So the Hollywood Spectra is so versatile in that it can treat a wide range of indications such as unwanted pigment, tattoos, melasma, acne, active acne, and acne scars, post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation or PIH, solar lentigines, freckles, and seborrheic keratosis, as well as nevus of Ota, and enlarged pores. Wow, there's just so many things this laser can do, huh? But let's go into it in a little bit more details. One of the most popular treatments performed with this laser platform is Hollywood laser peel, which involves first applying the Lutronic proprietary carbon lotion onto the skin. This carbon lotion penetrates deeply into the pores, binds to the oil and dead cells and other impurities. Then, using the Spectra mode, we gently heat the carbon onto the skin, making the carbon adhere to the skin even better. When the Q-switch laser is applied, it vaporizes the carbon particles along with the attached debris, effectively clearing your pores. This dual action approach provides immediate improvement in overall skin quality, along with long-term benefits such as renewed collagen production and refreshes your appearance over time. Everyone just loves the Hollywood laser peel because you get this immediate subtle glow after the procedure. We can also do an acne peel with this Hollywood Spectra. A study in 2023 showed over 80% improvement in acne lesions in 35 patients treated with a series of 3 Q-switch carbon lasers. This is a highly effective option for stubborn acne. The laser produces enough thermal effect to destroy bacteria that causes the acne and atrophy the sebaceous gland, causing decreased sebum production for treating acne. This technique has added advantage of causing neocollagenesis, resulting in improvement in the skin texture and acne scarring, remodeling. In addition, this particular laser treatment provides a gentle peeling effect, exfoliating the skin surface and clogging the pores, therefore correcting follicular epithelial hyperchondrification that blocks the outflow of sebum to the skin surface and reduces the inflammation. This leads to decrease in cytokine-mediated inflammatory cascade, which is a key player in acne. And to top it off, we can apply a gentle chemical peel after the acne peel itself for an even better result. Both of the Hollywood laser peel and the acne peel are virtually painless with no downtime. It can't get any better than that. One of the key benefits of the Hollywood Spectra is tattoo removal. It's so versatile in treating a wide range of tattoo colors and types, whether you have a small single color tattoo or a large multi-color design. Hollywood Spectra can effectively target and remove various ink pigments, including black, blue, green, red, and yellow. Additionally, this advanced laser technology can safely treat tattoos on different skin types and tones, making it suitable for a diverse range of patients. This state-of-the-art laser system delivers ultra-short pulses of high-energy light that penetrates the skin and breaks down the tattoo pigment into smaller particles. These fragments of ink are naturally cleared by the body's immune system, resulting in gradual fading, eventual removal of the tattoo. The Hollywood Spectra tattoo removal is non-invasive and does not cause significant damage to the surrounding tissue. The laser energy selectively targets only the tattoo pigments while minimizing the risk of scarring, hyperpigmentation, or other adverse side effects. Additionally, the procedure is relatively quick and requires minimal downtime, allowing you to resume your normal activities shortly after the treatment. In general, you will need at least 5 to 8 sessions spaced 8 weeks apart in order to get complete clearance. But what the Hollywood Spectra really shine is its ability to treat melasma safely. Like you mentioned earlier, this is an FDA-approved laser for the treatment of melasma. This particular laser device emits focused light energy that penetrates the skin and targets melanin deposit in the deeper layers. By using low energy or less heat paired with high peak pressure, it creates photoacoustic effect that shatters those stubborn melasma patches. This helps to gradually lighten the pigment over time and even out the skin tone. Melasma is very challenging to treat, and if you overdo it, you're done. Slow and steady wins the race here. At Pureaty Aesthetics, we created a protocol utilizing Hollywood Spectra and other modalities that tackles melasma as well as other hyperpigmentation disorder by addressing multiple layers of the skin. Jessica, can you tell us what the procedure is like or what kind of aftercare did they need to follow?
Oh yeah, of course. So depending on the service that you are booked for with the Hollywood Spectra, you can expect to experience slight snaps, warmth, and mild erythema from targeting indications such as acne, melasma, pigment removal, to swelling or frosting or whitening of the tattoo area in a tattoo removal session. Post-care for these treatments can look a little something like using gentle cleansers and simple moisturizers, apply SPF 30 or higher, and limit sun exposure, as well as avoid heat and sweating like going to the gym, sauna, and avoid active products like retinol, AHAs, and BHAs, as well as exfoliating. And if a crust forms from a treatment like from a tattoo removal, or notice that a pigment area got slightly darker, that's totally normal. Just try not to pick or scrub at it. Let it naturally slaw off. Mild flaking and dryness is also normal, but again, do not peel or pick at it because it can do more damage on the skin underneath. Alright guys, well that wraps up everything you need to know about the Hollywood Spectra laser, from what it treats to what you can expect before and after your session. If you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any videos like this. If you have any questions or you're thinking about getting a treatment with this laser, we'd love to hear about it and help guide you. Thank you again so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Okay, Lisa.